Today, we're going to focus on fiction and nonfiction books, how they are alike and how they are different. What are the differences between fiction and nonfiction? Well, fiction is created from imagination, so it's not real. Whereas nonfiction refers to factual stories on factual events and people. Let's look at a T-chart that shows the different elements of the two types of stories. We have fiction and we have nonfiction. So the features of fiction, remember, fiction is from imagination. We have characters, the setting, the plot, illustrations, theme. It can be realistic or fake, and it tells a story. Notice that these two books are fictional. Grace for President, Duck for President. When we look over here at nonfiction, remember, nonfiction refers to the factual stories on actual events and people. Nonfiction books have a table of contents. There's a main idea. They give information. There's facts about a subject or a person. There's a glossary. And there's photographs of real places and real people. So an example of some nonfiction books are White House Kids and Barack Obama for President. Now, both sets, fiction and nonfiction, are about presidents. But this one is a fake story, and these two have facts about the story. In your reading notebook, I want you to turn to a nice clean page, and I want you to create this T-chart of fiction versus nonfiction. When you're done, I want you to go ahead and restart the video for our next activity. We're going to take a look at two stories today, Froggy Gets Dressed and the Frog Life Cycle. I want you to post in the discussion below, what are the differences and the similarities between these two books, and which one is fiction and which one is nonfiction. When you're done posting and answering the question below, you will need your notebook and a pencil, and I want you to create a T-chart. On one side of the T-chart, I want you to put Froggy Gets Dressed. On the other side of the T-chart, I want you to write Frog Life Cycle. After the discussion, there's a video, and while you watch the video, I want you to write, what elements do you see for Froggy Gets Dressed, and what elements do you see in the Frog Life Cycle?